undisclosed location. We're looking at a few spots to set up a bear stand for y'all. We'll try to get a couple big ones on the year. Me and Luke are both got a license, so that's 4-2 each if we can.
These. If it's not mine, it's somebody else's. It don't look familiar. You know, it's not mine, but it's definitely somebody else's. Take me into the game.
Bit further in the road?
I think so. This is an old site, and there's a stand back there.
What do you mean? You think anybody's using it?
Yeah.
No? When the shoe fits?
Yeah, let me just see if I can find mine first.
Yeah.
But this is it's a nice, and the wind is westerly, predominantly. So there. You need to come in here and clean it up a little bit. This is a blow down. And where would you? Somebody's had an old had a snare here. What?
Snare.
Yes, there's a old snare set up there.
Jake, you leave that alone.
Okay.
Dog. Chewing on the meat.
Okay.
Not that. I'm not putting it up that hard.
Well, that was probably the top of it. The rest of it would be, I don't know, right? Everything regular?
Yeah, but
You
you're
know,
pushing.
But you need to clean that out a little bit, so you got to crease that.
Yeah.
But I don't remember this being a drop off. Somebody might have taken over my bait site too. Things change, right? And maybe my bait site was out a bit further. No.
So down on this corner, there's a nice spot, an abandoned bait that hasn't been used in years. We're going to avail of the site. Today we're going to throw out some bread and molasses and do a molasses burn and whatnot. And then once we get activity, we're going to throw up a bear stand, go to the trail cam, and start figuring out when and if we're going to shoot. We're going to be shooting from up here in this spot right up here.
Is that tree to your left going to be in the way? My question.
No, actually,
that
should
big
be
one
fine.
right there.
Because we're going to be coming here, so that shouldn't be in the way. I mean, there'll be opening spots regardless. So we'll chain here. Probably when we get a hit, though, we're going to take Buddy's buckets out of it, and we're going to send them off. Except for the ones in the trees. We're probably going to put we can put popcorn in that.
Why don't we put it to that tree there with the white bucket on it?
Yeah, that could work too. Yeah, that's what we'll do.
Because it's a little more flatter. We're laying the bucket barrel flat, right?
No, we're standing up.
Off the ground?
No, well, he's going to be on the ground.
That's what I'm saying. There's flatter right there.
Yeah, that's what we'll do.
There.
Let that smell dissipate. Just knocked over a bucket full of guts.
I don't think that smells good either.
Merc. Alrighty. So, we got a dozen loaves of discontinued bread with vanilla and chocolate. We got about a gallon of Luke's cooking oil with a tub of molasses, a ton of syrup, and some of this Canadian Tire bear attractant. Apparently it smells like blueberry pie. That's going to be interesting. And as the final touches, we got the trimmings from A&W's late night. And we got a load of oil from a restaurant in Corner Brook. That is going to be the start our bear bait. It's all gonna go into this barrel here that Luke's taking. So we cut it open. We got a nice long chain for the chainer to the tree. So I'm thinking we're gonna have some success. Luke's getting the smell.
This shit smells great.
It goes to say, people, though, when you're making a bear bait or you're doing anything in the woods, do right by the country and take your garbage with you. It just makes it a lot nicer and a lot more comfortable. We get a hit on this place, and it might even be today, we're gonna clean up some of this stuff. Now, obviously, certain things like buckets and whatnot, that's to be used for your bait, but any plastic or anything is really important to take that out. Just be a steward of the land. Treat it right and they'll treat you right. Now, some people do this, and we're going to try it. We're going to throw in some dead trimmings of wood on the inside too, so when the bear is there, you got to pick through it and pick around. Apparently that makes them stick around, and it's like a dog toy. It makes them intrigued, I guess would be the word. So we're going to try that on this bait as well. That's bear bait, day one. Got her all ready. Hopefully within the next week we'll get a hit, and then we'll see about making the tree stand, and we're gonna be filming that too, so stay tuned. Don't forget to check out our latest video prior to this, trouting out in Halley. It was an awesome video, we had an awesome time. Steven did an excellent job. If you like our content, don't forget to share it around, like our videos, and don't forget to subscribe.